What's going on, all you chowderheads? It's your buddy Tank here with my wife Katie. We made it. We're DVC members now, and it's our first day as DVC members. We're at the Grand Floridian. Today is April 16th. It's Katie's birthday. We had a half a day of traveling from Providence to Chicago, and then Chicago down to Orlando, but we're here now, and we figured we'd show you guys what our theme park studio room looks like. Did I say that right?
Yeah.
So, Katie's gonna help me. We're gonna walk around and show you guys exactly what a theme park studio DVC looks like here at the Grand Floridian. It's a standard room with theme park view, and the view alone is worth being DVC members. Like, we're gonna save it for the very end of this, but it's gonna blow your mind because it blew ours when we showed up. So we came in, we put all our stuff away where we needed to be, and now we're gonna walk around and show you, starting from the front door, working our way towards the balcony. So let's pretend we just walked in. As soon as you come in on the right, you got this nice little vanity with this bench. Katie, why don't you pull it out? Look at that. It's a decent sized bench too. You could probably fit 2 people on that sitting next to each other. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably. Nice big table. So you can see all our stuff's on it right now. We got our day bag, or our theme park bag we call it. Nice big mirror. Beautiful wallpaper. It's got birds and flowers. And then right across from that is the bathroom. And it's got this wicked awesome barn door. Is that what you call that?
Yeah, like a sliding barn door.
And it's a big one too. It's got some weight to it. Look at this bathroom though. Nice tile floor. His and her sink. This mirror is like awesome though. The light is on like all the way around the mirror.
You have this?
What is it? What do you call that thing?
You can make it mirror.
Makeup mirror.
Yeah.
Got extra towels. Plenty of space down here if you wanted to put or store anything besides those towels. So across from the sink, you get the toilet and the shower behind another barn door, and it like splits the bathroom in half. A nice shower with like one of those rainforest heads on it. You can take this head off, adjustable, do whatever. Nice tile. Disney shampoo and conditioner.
And this was newly
Body
renovated in
wash.
June.
Say that again?
This was newly renovated in June, the woman at the front desk told us.
June of 2022?
No. Oh yes, we're in 2022, 23, yeah.
We come out of the bathroom to the left. Got your own little microwave. Got a Keurig. Ice bucket. Woo! Joffrey's thing. Some green tea. Got a little cooler down there. I just love the way this whole room is. Like, look at this arch right here. As soon as you come in, like, all the theming and the colors in here are nice and bright. And oh, happy birthday, Christophervarieur. Got these nice drawers.
Good size, deep drawers.
Yeah, look at that.
A pull-out bed.
Yep, Murphy bed.
2 full-size beds, queen.
Got a nice lamp over here. I like the artwork in here too. Mary Poppins themed. Also,
17 Cherry Tree Lane.
they were telling us that the chandelier in here, there's all these birds, but there's a hidden penguin if you look very closely. This guy right here. trying to be all sneaky and whatnot. And all the birds. But even the beds. The beds are looking nice with those nice header boards on there.
There's a good size for your luggage underneath, so it's out of the way.
Put all your luggage underneath both the beds.
Shelves on each side.
Yeah, I like that. Some reading lamps. They go on automatically when you pop it open. You know, I just noticed too, the lamp in between looks like the case that the rose from Beauty and the Beast goes in, kinda.
Oh yeah. But the lamp shade has an umbrella like from Mary Poppins. See it? The umbrella?
Oh yeah. Very subtle but nice.
Mm-hmm. We have a closet.
Yeah, this thing tripped me out because I just thought it was just a wall. I didn't see the handles until Katie opened it up. We got a nice big closet with bathrobes.
And the safe is in here. A steamer, which will come in very handy. And lots of shelving to put.
Yeah, there's so much space.
To put stuff if we didn't use our own storage things.
So much space in here. Again, I like the artwork. I like everything.
Yeah, you could definitely comfortably fit. I would feel comfortable with like another couple being here. I didn't think it was going to be this big.
Me neither.
For a studio.
I like the little light fixtures on the wall also. But yeah, I think we talked enough about this room. Let's talk about what I was talking about at the beginning of this. Let's talk about what's outside these curtains on this balcony out here.
Ready?
You guys, it's...
Can I do it?
You know you've arrived as an adult, a Disney adult, when you get a view like this. And I'm gonna shut up and just show you. Bro. Are you kidding me right now? This is our view from our balcony over here. I'm just gonna zoom in just a little bit so you guys can see this.
The castle.
Magic Kingdom.
The entrance of Magic Kingdom.
The train station.
Yeah.
Tron. Space Mountain. The monorail. The ferries. Contemporary and Bay Lake Tower. We've been listening to the ferries and the train at Magic Kingdom blow their horns and their whistles. I mean, you can actually see one of the ferries going across right now to Ticket and Transportation Center. Like, this is unbelievable. We were speechless when we first came out to this balcony. And it's a decent sized balcony too. Okay, we got a couple chairs here. The little table in between. We're not too far from the wedding pavilion if you walk all the way to the edge of our balcony here. Right there. That building in the very end with the rounded roof. That's what they do a lot of the weddings at the wedding pavilion. It's just a really awesome room. We could probably walk around on the grass down there if we wanted to. Could see the Polynesian to our right. Pretty awesome. So like I said earlier, it's Katie's birthday today. So we have two other couples with us. Our friends Derek and Ashley and Richie and April. And we're all gonna hang out tonight. I have a surprise for Katie. Actually standing here, listening to me talk about it.
Yeah, what's the surprise?
I'm not gonna say, You have to find out for yourself.
The viewers should probably know though.
No, I don't think any of the viewers know. Any of the subscribers would know. That's how secret it is. But we're gonna chill out. I'm gonna get ready for tonight, and it's gonna be awesome. It's our April 2023 adult only Disney vacation. Ha! I can't get over this. Oh, pretty dress for the birthday girl tonight, huh?
It's my birthday dress.
That is nice.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
I am. I'm nervous. I don't know what you have planned, and sometimes I never know what you.
This is true. You never know. It's full of surprises. That's what I do. Can we just take a minute and just think about what's going on right now with this whole situation, like out here? You know what I mean? Like,
I know. We should see if they want to hang out here. Like, not tonight, but like bring
Derek and Ashley and
April and Rich. Here and watch the fireworks
we could,
tonight.
but our reservation's at 8:30, so
No, not tonight. I'm saying like
sometime this vacation.
Yeah. Hello. Hey. Thank you.
No, not really. Just got done getting dressed and changed, and now we're heading over to the Enchanted Rose on the second floor of the main lobby of the Grand Floridian. Decided to take the stairs. That's fun. Are you surprised? Yeah, they couldn't get in. I wanted to leave it propped open, but she's like, oh, there's stuff's in here. We were coming. So she blew her own surprise up, really.
That's not my fault.
It is.
Thank you.
What's up, April? What's up, guys? How's your drive down? Awful? What's up? What's up, buddy? How you doing? Good. What's up? Yeah, so a whole bunch of mess happened. I don't want to talk about it on the camera though, because it was bad.